come before you today, and there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arms, I'll bless your name. Thank you, Lord. And I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. For all you've done in my life, you took my darkness and gave me a light. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my sin and my shame, you took my sickness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arms, I'll bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I just wanna thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I just wanna thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna say thank you, Lord. All you have done in my life, I wanna say thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes, I do. Oh, I wanna say thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arms, I'll bless your name. I just wanna thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I just wanna thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Lord.